Hey guys, welcome to my channel Fusion Cooking. Today we are going to make creme caramel. For creme caramel, we'll be needing the ingredients. I have 1 cup of milk. I have around 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 eggs. We have vanilla essence, and this is for the creme. But for caramel, we'll be needing around 6 or to 7 tablespoons of sugar for making the caramel or the base of the creme caramel. Now let's begin with the caramel. For that, we'll be heating a saucepan, and then we have taken, as I have said you earlier, 6 to 7 tablespoons of sugar, and then we'll be adding it in the saucepan. And the catch to making a perfect caramel is you should not stir it with anything. Like, you should not stir it with a spoon, you should not stir with anything. You can swirl it with the pan itself, like how I'm doing, and see, like, the process has started and the caramel has started caramelizing, the sugar has started caramelizing. As you can see, we need a little bit of golden brown color for the caramel. We don't need to overcook it so that the caramel will burn. As you can see now, the caramel is ready. Now we'll pour it in a bowl. I have poured it in a container in which we are going to make our creme caramel. Now let's start with the creme or creme anglaise, or you can say custard. A basic custard we are going to make. For that, we'll need 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, and two eggs and vanilla essence, few drops. Now we'll start by breaking 2 eggs into a bowl, and then we'll whisk it like lightly. We don't need to over whisk it, we'll just whisk it lightly. Now we are going to add 1 cup of milk. We are going to add, and we are going to keep continuously whisking. After the milk and the eggs are equally dissolved, we are going to add sugar little by little, because you don't want too much sugar in your creme, because in caramel also you have sugar, so you don't want that much in your creme anglaise. Now, I have added all the sugar. Now we'll add around 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence, so that the egg flavor does not occur in creme anglaise. Now we need to strain it. This is the important part. You need to strain it so that there is no lumps or there is no egg, like whitey mixture of eggs in the creme caramel. After straining it, you can transfer it. And now for baking, we need to have 1 bowl, and we need to put water in it. We need to give it a water bath, and we need to bake it for around 375 Fahrenheit for around 35 to 40 minutes, or you can vary the temperature, like around 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, our caramel will be ready. Our caramel is ready, and I have plated it. You can plate it like this, and you can put some caramel garnishes on top. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.